Hello, love everyone. Today I am going to try to make traditional Puligi Saka. Let's get started. Okay, when I made a decision to make this, my wife wanted me to do it the traditional way, so I had to buy some really thin linen from the fabric store. I've got a couple eggs, a bunch of different ingredients here that you can see on the table. Got my cinnamon and my nutmeg, my vanilla extract. I've already put the nutmeg and cinnamon in here, I just haven't mixed it. Self-rising flour, some eggs, so I can get the yolk for traditional vanilla custard is what she likes on it, butter, mixing bowl, my big pot to boil. All right, let's get started. First, I'm just going to mix up the dry ingredients a little bit. I have the baking soda in here, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. And I've got this bigger bowl, I think, when I add the melted sugar and everything, and all that good stuff, start adding the wet mixture. I'm going to put it in this bigger silver bowl that you see in the distance here. Matter of fact, Mother just put it in there now. There we go. All right, let's go make that melted sugar. Okay, this is gonna be probably the hardest part for me. I have never in my life melted sugar, so I don't have it on high, but I have it on kind of a little above medium. And I guess it's supposed to turn to liquid. I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm gonna add the milk, coconut cream, and the butter. So having never done this before, it's taking longer than I thought. I see at the bottom it's starting to melt a little bit, but golly, I thought it would happen faster. So I'm just going to be patient and keep stirring it. Oh, it's turning like chunky. Weird. I am not much of a baker, so I do not do this ever. Wow, that is neat. You know, if someone ever asked me how you made candy or anything with sugar, I would have thought there would have been a liquid, and you just put the sugar in the liquid and dissolve it. I didn't know you would cook the sugar first. But my wife says this is how it's done. We'll see if her recipe from her grandma is right. Okay, it's starting to bubble a little bit. I'm gonna turn it down to low. My wife said, don't burn it. And then I'm going to add the coconut cream. Oh, shit. Sorry for my language. That just scared me. I didn't know it was going to do that. Let me lift it off the heat a little bit. Whoa. Did not know that was going to happen. Or didn't think about it, I guess. Let's add the rest of it. There we go. Whoa, looks cool. Okay, let me make sure it's on low here. I'll set it back down and add the milk as well. Oops. Last but not least, I'm going to add, this is like a cup of butter, or a little more than a cup. Oh, let me get it out. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of butter. I'm starting to get a feeling that this dessert may make people fat. If you eat it all the time. Wow, all this sugar and butter, but it sure does smell good though. All right, let me get this melted, and then we're gonna mix it with the dry ingredients. All right, for the moment of truth. I hope this this bowl is big enough. Ooh, please be big enough. Oh my gosh, that smells pretty good. And I am not a sweets eater. Oh, this is gonna take forever to mix it. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I should use a whisk. My wife says her granny just used a spoon. Let me try. Let's do it with love. Oh, it's showing me new things here. New possibilities. Oh, I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet, Puligi ride, making Puligi for my sweetie pie today. All right, enough singing. I don't want to break anyone's eardrums. I almost forgot. My wife said she had the eggs too, so. Yeesh. I wonder if that would have messed it up too bad. Thank you, honey. She's back on her game now. She come to help, and then she took off on me. All right, let me keep stirring. Oh, and last but not least, don't forget the vanilla. I just used a tablespoon. She didn't know how much she added. Ooh, now it's smelling like heaven. It's getting there. And I'm trying to boil the water in the big pot. And I've already washed the that really thin linen that I bought, or I don't know what you call it, just material. All right, we're almost there, folks. See? All right, I've cleaned and cleaned this off. So it's clean. My wife said I needed to clean it first. She wasn't gonna. She wanted to. And oh, there we go. Putting in. I hope this little bowl I have is big enough. Oh my gosh. Just so you know, on the camera today is a Saka. She's being very quiet, but she's there. Hello, hello. Is this the way Granny made it, or looks similar? Yes. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to get this all in, and then I'll probably have to figure out how to tie this son of a gun. My wife said she used some kind of thread. I don't really have thread. I have twine, but something. We'll try our best. All right, be right back. All right, I'm gonna try to make a ball out of it. My water's just about boiling. Oh my gosh. You sure she used 2 of them? You see like this? Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? All right, maybe my wife needs to help me or something. Hold on. All right, my wife's holding it there. I think I got too much cloth because it's huge, but I want to tie it here. Oh my gosh. I hear my pot boiling. Ooh, I hope this string works. I am not a baking or a string expert. Let me tie it again, I guess. If I know how to tie. Shoot. Let me try that again. Put that through there. Maybe should I just tie it in a knot? I'm going to just tie it in a knot. I wasn't going to tie it in a bow so I can get it undone. But I don't think that'll be the case. Okay, let's go take it into the pot. All right, hope I don't get the camera fogged up. But as you can see, it's boiling. And I'm going to try to put it in there. Oh my God, I cannot believe that something's going to cook this way. This is crazy. Oh my God, it's boiling. Okay, maybe I'll put a little bit over like that. I don't know. And then, oh, sorry. Sorry. So it's boiling. I was afraid the whole thing was going to sink and like turn around. So I kind of left some of the material sticking up on top. So I'm covering it. And my wife said it takes at least an hour or more. So I don't know. I'll check it like every hour until it's done. All right. Keep your fingers crossed. It's time for me to go make the homemade or old-fashioned vanilla custard. All right. So we've been checking the custard. I checked it at 1 hour. And my wife said it's not done yet. Ooh, a little bit of the shell there. Let me get that out. Of course, my hands are clean. Don't worry about it. So right now I'm cracking the eggs for the custard. I was going to make it earlier, like I said. But my wife says, oh my gosh. Oh, shoot. Oh, my wife says she wants her custard warm. So the only way I can do that is to wait till the last minute to make it. So I need 4 eggshells here. If I can get them, do it right here. I mean egg yolks. I need 4 egg yolks to make the custard. All right, one more to go. All right, almost there. And there's our 4 egg yolks. All right, let's get the rest of the ingredients. So I'm basically using 4 egg yolks, and I'm going to use half a cup of sugar, which is 2 of these. Actually, I think it's just a 1/4 cup from what I read. Oh, brother. Hope I don't mess this up. So 4 egg yolks and a 1/4 cup of sugar, which is 1 of these. So now I just need to add the cornstarch. Be right back. And then we're using like 1 1/4 tablespoons of cornstarch. A little bit more, I think. There we go. All right, I'm going to whisk that together softly. But I need to go make some warm ingredients too. All right, let's go watch that. All right, I've got the puligi in the sink. I've been trying to get the knot out. I can't do it. So my wife said just cut it. But I don't know if I sure means I don't want to cut the cloth if I want to use it again. Oh, let me see if I can cut the string here. Ooh, it's kind of working. It's so small though. Ow. The bag's still hot. I'm getting there. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I'm curious to see what it looks like to boil something in a sack. Here we go. All right, let me open it and see what it looks like. All right, my wife helped me flip it upside down and put it on a different plate. So as you can see, I guess the bottom looks better. The top part might have got a little water on it or something. This part looks really nice. It definitely looks like, I don't know, it looks like congealed pudding on the top and some kind of, I don't know, gingerbread cake on the inside. I have no idea. I've never ate it in my life. So she said let it cool down though. So I gotta let this get cold or cooler, and then I have to go warm up the custard. Let's go. Okay, I have already mixed the heavy cream, 1 cup, and 1 cup of milk, whole milk. And then now I just need to do the 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of vanilla extract. And I have made custard before. I did the custard pie, so usually what we can do is we turn on medium and we let it get hot, but we never let it boil. So once it gets warm, I will take it off the heat and then we'll add it to the egg yolks. All right, wish me luck. So I've turned this up to like a little more than medium heat, and I'm just going to continuously stir it for about 5 minutes. I want it to get nice and hot, but I do not want it to boil. All right, it's hot. Now I'm going to add this in to the original thing. And you're going to continuously stir. Hopefully I'm not fogging up the camera. I'm going to continuously stir it. You do not want the eggs to, you don't want the eggs to scramble. So just stir, stir, stir. Make sure it's all mixed together with the cornstarch. And then you put it back in the pan. And I'm going to stir it on low heat. Oh, for maybe up to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens. All right, the custard's done and it's nice and thick. Got me the little coconut tree cake. I mean, little bowl. Let me see if this is done enough yet. I don't know. Let me put the camera down so I can help put it in the bowl. All right, let's take it. Whew. I'm making a mess. I'm not a good cutter. Cake cutter, obviously. Let me give it some more of the insides here. Whew, there we go. Well, it isn't pretty, but really what it matters is not what it looks like, but what it tastes like. Let me get the custard. Oops, I'm spilling some of it. Let's put a good helping of that on there. Ooh. All right, let's see if my wife likes it. Honey, Sao, Fabi, your food's ready. Okay, my wife's gonna try. If she don't like it, well, I don't know what to tell her. I've never made it before, or seen it made before in person, so.
Mm-hmm. That's so good.
Hey, you like the custard? Is that okay?
It's awesome.
How's the Puligi taste, though? It looked like it...
It's so soft.
Is it supposed to be harder?
Mm-mm.
You sure? I've seen pictures of other
I don't know,
YouTubers
and
doing it.
I
It
don't
looked
care.
harder. Oh, okay.
All I know is that it's freaking fantastic.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Much love to you. You want to say something, honey?
Hi, everyone.
Oh, I mean, goodbye, sort of.
Bye.
Well, I'm glad she enjoyed it. All right. That was fun making Puligi the traditional way. All right, everyone. Love you. Fa se fua. Or soy fua. Sorry. Fa soy fua. Peace.